This is lesson 4.2, example 4, the last one, and we have a simple subtraction problem. Find the value of 2/3 minus 1/4. Now, as we discovered earlier, we cannot subtract right now because we do not have a common denominator. So let's fix that. 2/3 and 1/4. 2/3, our denominators are 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This is the first method. I'll do the butterfly method in just a moment. First, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And I see our common denominator is going to be 12. Right there. 12 is our denominator for our new fractions, so let's set our fractions equal to 12. Unfortunately, one of our denominators did not conveniently go into another one, so we do have to change both fractions this time. So 2/3, I'll do this one in green. 2/3 equals how many twelfths? And 1/4 equals how many twelfths? Well, to go from 3 to 12, I multiply by 4. To go from 2 to... I caught myself that time. What I did at the bottom, I have to do to the top, times 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And over here, how do I go from 4 to 12? Well, I multiply by 3. And so I'm going to do to the top what I did to the bottom. 1 times 3 is 3. So I have 8/12 minus 3/12 is my new equation here. 8/12 minus 3/12, which equals 5/12. And huzzah, huzzah, it's already in simplest form because 5 and 12 do not have any common factors. Ta-da! Now let's do the butterfly method. 2/3 minus 1/4. Good. I will write my wings and my wings and my antennae and my little X down here and my fraction bars. Do the rest in green. So 3 times 4, my denominator is going to be 12. Hang on, that's what I was using up here. Cool. It's good to have the same denominators. Now, what I did at the bottom, I'm going to do to the top. So 3 times 1 up and over is going to be 3. 4 times 2 up and over is 8. And now I have 8/12 minus 3/12, which equals 5/12, which again is already in simplest form. So you'll notice that I got exactly the same new fractions using the butterfly method as I did doing the least common factor method, least common multiple method, which happens sometimes. Every now and then, the least common multiple is what happens when you multiply your denominators together. Sometimes they don't have a multiple smaller than that. Again, either way works just fine. I got the same answer both times, so both methods work just fine. Whichever one works better for you. That's subtraction. Switch your denominators so they match. Make your fractions match, subtract.